Good morning, guys. So today I thought we would spend a Saturday together. Plan on doing a little bit of fall decor shopping today. I might do a shop with me. I'm not 100% sure yet, but I will definitely show you guys what I pick up. I am about to make this quiche right here. This is a ham and cheese quiche on like a flaky crust. Let me show you guys. I also made these last night. They should be ready. They are oats and coconut milk, and then they also have mangoes. So I assembled them last night and they should be ready today. So I'm really excited to try these. I've actually never made this before, but I really wanted to use up this frozen mango that I had. So I'm gonna saute all of this. I'm gonna add my onion first. I already have some olive oil in the pan. And I'm gonna season it with some of this adobo. This has basically a little bit of everything: salt, pepper, garlic powder. My quiche is done. So I'm actually going to go ahead and assemble it. And I think I'm just gonna serve it with a side of sour cream. I always like to keep these on hand. And you can pretty much just like top this on everything, and it just makes it look even nicer. See? I could even put a little bit on top of my quiche. My overnight oats should be ready as well, and these were so easy to make. So basically I added just like regular steel cut oats. I also added a little bit of half and half because that's all I had since we don't really buy milk. And I added coconut milk as well to make it coconutty. I'm also gonna add just a little bit of cheese to this board. So I'm basically making like a little, like, have you guys ever been to those breakfast buffets that has like a little bit of everything? They have like a waffle station, like a fruit station and all of that, and you can kind of like make your own little plate. That's kind of what I'm making. I'm just gonna add some salami. And just for kicks, I have this bacon because it was left over from that Trader Joe bacon that I bought, and I had to make it. So I'm just gonna throw that in there, and we have a lovely Saturday, lazy Saturday brunch, lunch type of deal. If you guys get the Trader Joe quiche to try at home, the tomato and onion topping and the sour cream is a must. You guys, the sun is out. Can you guys tell it is so much brighter? I'm sure it probably looked like it was nighttime when I was making breakfast because it was so dark. But we're finally getting a little bit of sunshine. It's been raining for like a week straight, which means that fall is definitely coming, which is so exciting because you guys know I love fall time. So Sebastian is still taking a nap. As soon as he wakes up, we're gonna take off. We are going to go, I don't know if I'm gonna go back to Home Goods because I went there last week and I found some really nice stuff. I will show you guys that once I get back from Hobby Lobby so I can show you guys everything together. I finally got my butt off the couch and I did my makeup and my hair. I'm actually trying out a new foundation that you guys recommended. It's by Decor. I forget which one exactly it is. I'll leave it linked down below for you guys. But I am loving it so far. Like, I didn't even have to put on powder. Anyways, before I head out the door, I'm actually putting together a little card for my mom and my mother-in-law because I am honoring both of them for Superhero September, which is part of the campaign that Hallmark has going on. You guys know I worked with them in the past, so huge thank you to them for sponsoring this video. But they have the Care Enough campaign going on right now, and every month they kind of have a different theme. And I really like this month's theme because it just got me thinking you know, the people that I feel are superheroes in my everyday life. Honestly, I don't know how we would be able to handle this new parents thing if it wasn't for my mom and my mother-in-law. They've just been amazing. Like anytime we have like a deadline going on or something that's like super urgent that we need help, we can literally call them and they will be here within minutes, no questions asked. So we've just been really fortunate. So I'm going to be giving both of them this card that says nothing says thank you quite like the words thank you. And also these beautiful flowers that Hallmark carries. You can actually order these online and have them delivered to your home. I don't want to say the name of them because I'm probably going to butcher it. So I'm just going to leave the little name like written on the screen for you guys. We're going to try to drop it off at my mother-in-law's house. If not, maybe have her over a little bit later on once we're done running errands. But my mom is currently out of town, so I'm gonna have to wait to give her hers. Or I might sneak into her house. I'm not sure. So I definitely want to hear from you guys. When you hear the word superhero, who comes to mind? Let me know down in the comments and let me know why. Why do you want to honor them this month as your superhero? I'm a total homebody, like hermit crab status, so I'm okay with being home all the time, but every now and then I feel myself starting to get like almost like feeling a little bit down, and my mom tells me that that's because I'm not getting enough vitamin D, so I'm gonna go get some sunshine. Yeah, how can I help you today?
Yes, ma'am. If I could do a number 7 cheese tater tots.
Okay, and what can I do for your drink?
A cherry limeade with lots of ice, please.
Cherry limeade, extra cherries. My dining room looks like fall exploded and I'm kind of loving it. These are some of the items that I picked up from HomeGoods. I'll kind of show you guys one by one, but I'm kind of working on the tablescape right now, which is why it looks like this. The first thing is this pumpkin, and isn't this the most pretty color ever? It's like a dusty rose and it has a little bit of like gold flecks on it. And then the stem is also gold. So even though this room, like the accessories are silver, I wanted the tablescape to be gold just so it could feel a little bit more like fall. I also got this. I think this is a pumpkin, or is it an apple? No, I'm pretty sure it's a pumpkin. So this one is white with gold flecks on it. It kind of has like a wood feel to it, really pretty. I'm actually not sure where I'm gonna put this one. I thought that I was gonna use this one as a centerpiece, but I really like how the pink one looks better. So I'm kind of playing around with this one. This is just one of those like longer ones that has a little bit of everything. So I did have to buy these candles separately, so that's the only thing. It kind of adds up. Like this whole thing is a little bit pricey because each of these candles I think was like, yeah, like $10 a piece. So I'm not sure where I'm gonna put this yet. Thought I wanted that on our island, but it looks a little bit too busy for my taste. This one, I really like how this one looks on the island, and I'm just gonna put like any candle in here. It looks beautiful. I love the colors. Oh, I know you guys like hearing the prices. So this one was $24.99 and this one was $29.99. I also got these candlesticks, but these I actually picked up from Amazon. They came in a set of 3. I'd been looking for some like these forever, and they were so expensive. They were like $15 to $30 per. So when you buy all 3 of them, it really added up, and I believe I got this whole set for about $30 on Amazon. And the last thing that I got from HomeGoods is this gorgeous pom-pom throw. Don't mind Nala and Bambi's food all over the floor. Their plate is right here and they made a mess. And it's so hard to find these in white like this, but I'm obsessed with it. And this one, let's see how much this one was. This one was $16.99. So this I had actually gotten last week. These pumpkins right here, they have a little glitter tip on them and they're really cute. And then they also have the gold pumpkin. I thought these were perfect to kind of just like lay out throughout the table, and this was $9.99, but I think all the fall stuff is 40% off right now. But yeah, I just thought this is so perfect, so I can actually take everything out now. I am so excited about this tablescape, you guys. I think it's gonna be the most beautiful tablescape that I've ever had. Then I picked up a few of these black and white pumpkins. I'm gonna be using these in my living room because you guys remember those plaid pillows that I got from HomeGoods? I thought I was gonna use them in my office, but I'm actually going to be using them in my living room. So I thought these were really perfect to kind of throw in a basket. So these were $9.99 and I got 3 of these. I think they're just so cute. So I had this leftover from last year. Do you guys remember I DIY'd my own fall wreath. I still have that on our door right now. But I thought this would be really pretty for the centerpiece that I'm creating, but I needed 2 of them, so I went back and got another one. And this is $6.99, and I do believe their floral is 50% off right now. I got this super cute little wreath that I'm gonna be using in my kitchen, so I thought that I could add a little bit of those flowers to it and it would be really cute, maybe like a little pumpkin. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with it, but I just thought it was so precious. This one was $19.99 and I used my 40% off Hobby Lobby coupon on this because it wasn't on sale. But isn't that so cute? And I think this is going to be perfect for Christmas as well. So this my friend actually picked up for me because I was looking for it everywhere. My Hobby Lobby was sold out, and so she found it for me. But this is lamb's ear garland. This is going to be part of the centerpiece that I have going on in my dining room. I really like the color and I like how fuzzy it is and furry. I think it's so cute. This is another one that's going to be really good to just last me through the entire holidays. And this one was $19.99. You'd probably have to use your coupon on this as well because I think it's kind of in the same section as this, so it's not on sale. I also got these pumpkins. I got 2 of them. I really like how they have the fuzzy tip on these because it matches the garland that I'm going to be using on the table. But I actually plan on painting these. I have some acrylic paint in pink, and then I also have like a gray. So I'm gonna blend them and make like my own little dusty rose color to match that other pumpkin that I showed you guys. But I thought these were so cute. I just really like the leaf detailing. And these were $4.99. This is what I am super excited about. My store only had 3 of them, but turns out that you can special order items. So they let me special order 3 more. I wanted a total of 6 of them. The bottom part is all like an ombre pink and it fades into a really pretty cream color. And then it's got black little specks, so it kind of like matches this throw that I have back here. And then the rim is all gold. So these are gonna look absolutely stunning on the formal dining table. These were $19.99, and then all of the glass and ceramic stuff was 50% off. I am so obsessed with these, so you guys, they are so stunning. So that is everything that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video and kind of just hanging out with me, spending the day with me. Definitely give it a thumbs up if you guys enjoy these type of vlogs, and I'll know to continue making them. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.